Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am unboxing for you one Fab Fit Fun Box and reviewing another. I liked my first one so much, I got a second one, so I'm in a unique position that I can unbox and review all at the same time. So let's get started. So with the first box that I already received, I can tell you my choices and what I tried. So in the first personalization, you could choose between the Sol de Janeiro, the hair dryer, the face masks, no, actually the hair dryer, the towel, the kimono, and this is what I chose in my first box. This is a no-brainer. I don't even need to review this for you. I've already tried it. It was the reason why I came back and renewed my subscription for another year with Fab Fit Fun, because I love this. This is my first time trying this one. It does have a very similar scent to the lotion, and I've been enjoying it. It's working well. I use actually this with my Spongel that I got with an add-on that ran out of soap. So I've been putting this in my Spongel and I've really been enjoying it. So I highly recommend both of those products. Okay, and the second choice was you had to choose between the face masks, which I did end up getting, the tote bag, the Exo Sienna board, or the bowls. So this was my toughest choice. I chose this letter board and I have to say I kind of regretted it. So here's why. So the first thing, when I had opened the box, you would have seen that it had some glue on there, and you can't really tell very well, but it's chipped. And you can see here I had to sort of cover up that spot with a card, and I didn't want to be doing that every single time, but I made it work for this. So that isn't even the reason why I was disappointed. I immediately after ordering this saw these with a cute pink background and a metal frame for $10 at Winners. So I would have really enjoyed just buying one of those and actually picking something else from the box. But I will say this. I immediately reached out to customer service and I told them what happened. No questions asked, don't have to send back the first one, and they actually sent me a brand new one. So let's take a look and see what it's like. I haven't even taken it out of the box yet. And here it is here. Perfect and no problems. So that was great. Their customer service is excellent. I just told them what happened and they were happy to send me a new one. It's nice I don't have to send back the original one, and the benefit is now I have double the letters, so that was good. So that's the one nice thing about ordering that box there. Okay, so these face masks, I actually didn't have these as an add-on. My girlfriend gets the Fab Fit Fun Box and she didn't want hers, so I just bought hers off of her, and I can tell you that I've tried two of them. And here's what it looked like on. I had a hard time getting it to fit well around my mouth. They are the 1-1 Skin face masks, and I would say that they feel luxurious when you're putting them on. They feel very cooling, and there's just something about them that feels special, but I can't say that they really did anything all that great to my skin. I don't have any skin problems that I'm trying to resolve specifically, so maybe that's why. I enjoyed using them. They were fun to try. I'll use the rest in the box, and maybe I think they're supposed to be a brightening face mask, so maybe they did provide some brightening. It's hard to tell this time of year because you're in the sun, and that helps with your skin as well. Then the other thing that I chose in the box was the Kula sunscreen, and actually I can put some on right now because I'm about to go out, and I was at a regatta yesterday and this is all I used for sunscreen, and I didn't get burnt. I was on the water paddling and in the sun quite a bit yesterday, and it did the trick. So one thing I will say I don't like about this is the scent. So when you spray it on, you have to hold your breath. So here we go. So I hold my breath and don't breathe in and just put it right on top of my makeup. I also received a mystery item, which was the Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy. It works as a makeup remover, which is good because I was out of makeup wipes and I needed some new ones, so that was good. It's kind of awkward to use an oil to use for makeup on your eyes. I used it, it worked. I wouldn't buy it again, but it was an okay product overall. So now we can get into the second box. So I can show you all the things that came in this box. Okay. Let's see here. I got another mystery item. So the truffle oil was what I got as my last mystery item. I went in the forum and I saw that they had a bunch of different choices that you could, or not choices, but a bunch of different options that they were sending out now as mystery items. At the very beginning, it seems like all they sent out were the truffle oil. Everyone who got one, that's what they got. So this time, I got the Luminizing Primer. And the funny thing about this is that this was what they were putting in all the Canadian add-on boxes. And I'm happy to try it. I've never used a primer before. So this is the nice thing about Fab Fit Fun, that it's a discovery box, and I'll give it a try and see how I like it. The other thing I have to say about the boxes is you have to see like how beat up this box got. Like you can see the corner and everything. My other box is perfect. When you add on items, they put it in a cardboard box so it protects the cute box that they're gifting you. And because I reuse all my boxes, and in fact I will link here my outgoing Fab Fit Fun Box. I did the spring 2019 box as a summer happy mail for one of my friends, and you can see how I reuse my Fab Fit Fun boxes. Okay, so here's another face mask. This is the Clay Generation. I tried this. It goes on wet as a purple and then it dries down to this color. I have to say again, like I don't have any issues that I'm trying to resolve. It was a neat product to use. You put it on, it goes on wet, it dries pretty quick, and then you can use it and it's nice. It made my skin feel soft after. My daughter also tried this product and she seemed to really like it. She had fun with it more than anything. I thought it made her skin look better. So anyways, she can have a bottle of her own and so can I. The Invisibobbles. So this I will give a review on. When I went to the gym and I was running on the track with these, they stayed in my hair fine and that was good. But when I played beach volleyball in these, my ponytail was falling out, so it was not strong enough to hold my ponytail. After filming this video, I played in a beach volleyball tournament and used one of my brand new Invisibobbles from the box, and it stayed in great. It was when I reused an Invisibobble that it didn't work well. This is the Wish Exfoliating Foot Mask. I have to say this is my one of my least favorite products I tried from the box. I didn't find it did anything for my feet. I tried it twice. I didn't notice any exfoliation. I do like Wish products. I think that they're good. Other things that I have tried I've really enjoyed, but this one was not great for me. Next in my box, I couldn't show you this because I've already gifted it. I can link the video here for you to see my packaging of this as a gift set, a wine gift set for one of my daughter's teachers that turned out really well. So I was happy to get a second set. I didn't use these, but I did use them as a gift. I had actually purposely bought them to give as a gift, and I think I'll probably gift these as well. Okay. This is unfortunate. Okay, so I was hoping to try some of the different items and I seemed to get the exact same thing. So I had chose the Kula and I got it again. I had chose the mystery item and I got it again. So I don't get to try any of the other things from those categories. I would have liked to have tried the eyeliner, the Ico London eyeliner, the Living Proof nourishing styling cream. Those were two of the things that I kind of was hoping might be in my box, but like I said, I've used this and I've liked the Coola sun spray, so happy to have more. They'll just make it last longer. Now this is interesting. This has leaked. This is the Spray All Day Rose Spray. I wonder what happened in the box there. It's wet underneath the plastic. I could easily reach out to Fab Fit Fun and they'd send me a new one, but I won't bother. I wonder if it's broken inside or something though. I gifted my first one in a happy mail that I was sending in my Fab Fit Fun box because I wasn't super excited about this product, but I knew some other people really liked it, and I actually am going to give this one to a friend of mine, providing it's all okay inside. I'm going to give this to her, and so I will have given both of these away. This is just not something that I will find useful, but my friend really liked it, and so I'm happy that she'll be able to get another one. Okay, the reason why I got a second box. The hair dryer. I had to get this hair dryer. I explained in my last video where I unboxed my first box that it was such a tough decision, and I finally just broke down and said, you know what, I'm getting another one because I could really use a travel hair dryer. It looked like a good value. I've heard good reviews, and oh my god, I seen it on the unboxings as being mini, but it's really mini, which is great. Yeah, that is really mini. You can't really tell how small it is, I guess. It's like the size of my hand. It's smaller than my hand. This is great. I've heard really good things about it. I wanted a travel hair dryer. I don't really use these attachments and things, but I'll give them a try because I've heard good reviews about those as well. So that was what brought me back for the second box. That was the main reason why I bought it. It was $60 just to buy the hair dryer, and I could have tried to trade, but by the time you add on shipping, and if you pay $20 for it and $15 for shipping, you might as well buy a second box. And that's my tip for you guys. Instead of adding on a second item in your first original order, just get a second box. It's not worth adding like the $15. You might as well get it. You could sell some of the stuff if you didn't want it, or you could choose some of the other things or have duplicates. The other thing that I really am excited and happy to get are these bowls by West Elm. They're the indigo blue. They are really very beautiful. I love the feel of them. I'm super happy to have these. I have 3 kids. Small, medium, and large is so cute. Like I could see them each getting like ice cream or something. The little one could have the small. The middle one could have this one. Oh, they're just beautiful. And I was at Winners and I saw these bowls, but they were actually created by a different company. So this is a trend in right now. Like I would have sworn they were the West Elm bowls, and they weren't. So they were a whole other company. So if I wanted to go back and get some more, maybe I could get 2 grown-up bowls, and then all 5 of us could have our own little ice cream bowl or dessert bowl. I always find it handy to have special little bowls, even if you're just putting like a dip in, something on the side of a plate. So these are really pretty, and I'm happy to have those. So thank you so much for watching. I'll link my first unboxing so you can see everything that I got and my reactions in that box. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, like I said, I've subscribed for another year, so if you want to see more unboxings, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and we'll see you again next time. Bye!